Hello everyone, myself Heli Mehta, working as an assistant professor in computer department MGTER Navsari. Today I am going to explain Booth algorithm. Booth algorithm is used to multiply two signed binary numbers. So first we will see the flow chart. So here first step is start. After that a is equal to 0. So a is a accumulator in which the result is stored, and initially the value of accumulator is 0. Q minus 1 is 1 bit and its value is 0 initially. M is a multiplicand, Q is a multiplier, and N is equal to number of bit. Here we are going to represent this algorithm for 4 bit. So we have to check first 2 bits, Q0 and Q minus 1. So for that we have a 4 possibility. First is 0 1, second is 1 0, next is 0 0 and 1 1. So we have to check Q0 and Q minus 1. If the value is 0 1, then we have to perform this operation, which is A is equal to A plus M. Here A is equal to accumulator and M is equal to multiplicand. After performing this operation, we have to perform arithmetic right shift. After performing arithmetic right shift, we have to perform N is equal to N minus 1. Here initially value of N is equal to 4 because we have a number of bit 4. So after performing this, we have to check N is equal to 0. If N is not equal to 0, then we have to again go to here Q0 and Q minus 1, and again we have to apply all procedure, and after that if our value is 1 0, then we have to perform A is equal to A minus 1. After that we have to perform arithmetic right shift, then N is equal to N minus 1. If the value is N is equal to 0, then we have to end the algorithm. If we have the value of Q0 and Q minus 1 is 0 0 or 1 1, then directly we have to perform arithmetic right shift, then N is equal to N minus 1, and again we have to check N is equal to 0, and if we get N is equal to 0, then end the algorithm. So first of all we will see what is arithmetic right shift. So arithmetic right shift, in arithmetic right shift, leftmost bit denotes the sign of the string. So if we have a leftmost bit 0, then it indicates the positive number. If leftmost bit is a 1, then it represents the negative number. Sign bit is replicated into the bit position to its right. We will see this using one example. Here we have a 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 8 bits number. So to perform arithmetic right shift, first of all this is the leftmost bit and it is 1, so it is the negative number. So this leftmost bit is we have to copy in the first position. After that we have to replicate this into the next to right. So next bit is 1. We can see this like this. So next bit is 0. So 0 is replicated into next bit. 0 is here 1. So 1 is replicated. Here 0 is replicated. 0 is again replicated, and this one is replicated, and this last bit is cancelled. So this is the answer of arithmetic right shift. Let's take one example. Minus 6 into 7. Here minus 6 is our M multiplicand, and 7 is our Q multiplier. So now M is equal to minus 6 and Q is equal to 7. We have to convert this number into binary number. Now here we have a minus 6. So first of all we have to take binary of positive 6, which is 0 1 1 0. After that we have to take 2's complement of 6, which is our minus 6. So first complement is 1 0 0 1 plus 1, which is our 2's complement. So here 1 0 and 1. So 1 0 1 1 is a 2's complement of 6, which is our minus 6. So M is equal to minus 6 is equal to 1 0 1 0. Okay. Now Q is equal to 7. Binary of 7 is 0 1 1 1. Okay. Now we have to make one table. Here we have a accumulator. So initial value of accumulator is 0. We have a Q, which is 0 1 1 1. We have a Q minus 1, so value of Q minus 1 is 0 initially. N is equal to 4 as we have a 4 bit, and operation So initially we have no operation. Now first we have to check in these 4 bit we have this is Q0, this is Q1, this is Q2 and this is Q3 and this is our Q minus 1. So according to our algorithm we have to check Q0 and Q minus 1 which is 1 and 0. So according to this algorithm we got 1, 0. So we have to perform operation A is equal to A minus 1. We can also write A is equal to A minus 1 like A plus 2's complement of M. Okay, so M is equal to 1, 0, 1, 0. So we have to take 2's complement of 1, 0, 1, 0 which is 0, 1, 0, 1 plus 1. So it is 0, 1, 1, 0 which is 2's complement of M. Now add A plus M. So A is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0 plus M means 0, 1, 1, 0. So our answer is 0, 1, 1, 0. We get value of A is equal to 0, 1, 1, 0. So 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 and value of N is equal to 4. Now we have to, after performing this A is equal to A minus 1, we have to perform arithmetic right shift operation. So for arithmetic right shift, this is 0, we are replicating this 0 here, this is 1, this is 1, this 0 is here, this is 0, 1, 1 and this one is replicated here. Now after performing arithmetic right shift we have to perform N is equal to N minus 1. So here N is equal to N minus 1. So value of N is equal to 3. So in step number 1 we got 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and value of N is equal to 3. Now in step 2 again we have to check this Q0 and this Q minus 1 which is 1, 1. So according to our algorithm, if we have a 1, 1 then we have to directly arithmetic right shift. So we have to perform operation arithmetic right shift. So this is 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 and 1. So 0, 0, 1, 0, this is 1, this is 1, this is 0, this is 0, this is 1 and this is 1. So after arithmetic right shift again N is equal to N minus 1. So in operation N is equal to N minus 1. So our N is 3, 3 minus 1 we got 2. So after that step number 2 we got 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1 and 1. So next step 3. In step 3 we have to again check Q0 and Q minus 1. Again we got 1, 1. So again we have to perform same arithmetic right shift and N is equal to N minus 1. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. So arithmetic right shift is 0, 0. This is 0, this is 0, this is 1, 1, 0, 0 and this is 1 and after that N is equal to N minus 1. So we have 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So after step 2 we got 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0 and value of N is equal to 1. So again N is not equal to 0. So we have to perform whole procedure again. So here Q0 and Q minus 1. So in step number 4 we have a 0, 1. So for 0, 1 we have to perform first A is equal to A plus M, after that arithmetic right shift and after that N is equal to N minus 1. So in operation we have to perform A is equal to A plus M. So value of A is 0, 0, 0, 0 and value of M is 1, 0, 1, 0. So 1, 0, 1, 0. So we got 1, 0, 1, 0. So our A is 1, 0, 1, 0. Our M is 1, 1, 0, 0 which we got in last step. Here 1. So we perform A is equal to A plus M. Now we have to perform arithmetic right shift. So this is 1, this is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 0. Now our N is equal to 2. So we have to perform N is equal to N minus 1 which is 2 we have the value of n is equal to 1 in last step. So here 1 minus 1 0. So our n is equal to 0. So we get 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0. This is our A and this is our Q. Here our leftmost bit is 1, so it represent minus. So our question is minus 6 into 7, so our answer is minus 42. So for that we have to multiply these two, 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0. So this bit indicates minus, and we have to take 2's complement of remaining 7 bit. So 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0. So 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 plus 1, so 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. So this represent minus 1 and this represent 42. Let's take how 1 2 4 8 16 and 32. So 32 plus 8 plus 2 is a 42. This one indicates minus 2. So minus, so this is minus 42. So minus 6 into 7 is minus 42. This is Booth algorithm. Let's take one another example. This is 7 into 3. Here we have 7 and 3 both are positive number. In previous example we have one negative number and one positive number. Now 7 is equal to m and 3 is equal to q. So now take a binary number of 7. So binary of 7 is 0 1 1 1 and binary of 3 is 0 0 1 1. Now we have to take a table. So first A is accumulator, q minus 1, n and operation. Now initially accumulator is 0, q is 3, 0 0 1 1, q minus 1 is initially 0. Initially value of n is 4 as we are performing 4-bit operations, and operation is nothing. Now first step is we have to perform q 0 and q minus 1. So this is 1 and 0. So we got 1 0. So according to our flow chart, for 1 0 we have to perform A is equal to A minus m. So our A is 0 0 0 0, and for minus m we have to take 2's complement of m. So m is 0 1 1 0. So 1's complement of this is 1 0 0 0 plus 1. So we get 1 0 0 1. So 0 0 0 0 plus 1 0 0 1. So we get 1 0 0 1. So here we get 1 0 0 1. This is our accumulator value. 0 0 1 1. Q minus 1 is 0 and n is 4. Now after that we have to perform arithmetic right shift. So we have this 1 0 0. This is 1 0 0 1 and this is 1. So after performing arithmetic right operation we have to perform n is equal to n minus 1. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So in first step we get 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 and 3. So in second step we have to check q0 and q minus 1. This is our 1 1. So for 1 1 we have to perform directly arithmetic right shift. So 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1. For arithmetic right shift 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 0, this is 0, 1 0 0 and 1, and after that n is equal to n minus 1. Now 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So we get 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1, and n is equal to n minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Now we have to check our q0 and q minus 1. So we get 0 and 1. So we have to perform A is equal to A plus m, which is A is 1 1 1 0 and our m is equal to 0 1 1 1. So we got 1 0 1 0 carry 1, which we have to neglect. So we get 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 and 1. Now perform arithmetic right shift, which is 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 and 0. Now n is equal to n minus 1, which is 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Now for 4 step we get 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 and 0, and n is equal to 1. So we have get 0, 0. So we have to perform directly arithmetic right shift. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, and we have to perform n is equal to n minus 1, which is 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we get n is equal to 0, so we have to end the algorithm and we get answer 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, in which leftmost bit is 0, which indicate plus, and here we have 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So 16 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 21. So our answer is 7 into 3 is equal to 21. Thank you.